Hello, and welcome to the first in a series of videos designed to help you learn how to work in and around the Elluminate meeting room. What you see in front of you is a typical link, invitation link to a site, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and that's going to go ahead and launch my browser and bring me to my login screen. I'm going to go ahead and log myself in as Tedo at Nashville State and click Login, and you'll see that the download box has shown up because I'm going to start downloading various applications that I need to work in and around the meeting room. I'm going to go ahead and allow this, and you'll see it starting to download those modules. And we're going to just let it do what it needs to do. And here we are. So here we are in the Elluminate meeting room, and you can see that I'm here as Tedo. You'll also see I'm here as the first participant, and I'm actually the moderator. Don't get confused about that. I've actually logged in from a separate computer, which is acting as the moderator. When I came into the room, my hand raised, and to indicate that I'm here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that icon down there, and that took my hand raise away. So the first thing I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to talk about the participants list, because this gives you a lot of control over your status and your privileges. You'll see here that there are, next to the participant names, everybody who's listed in the room will actually be listed as a participant, and you'll see to the right of those that there are 7 columns. These 5 over to the far right, I'm going to deal with those first, and they are microphone privileges. So I have voice over internet protocol privileges. I have video privileges. That means that if I want to use a camera, I can. I have chat room privileges. I have privileges to allow me to share my desktop and materials from my desktop, and I have whiteboard privileges, and I'll talk about all of those in the next couple of videos. The first box here is the emoticon box, symbolized by that raised hand. And what's important to understand is that not everybody will always have access to their audio capabilities. Illuminate only allows 6 active participants, 6 active audio slots. Everybody has the potential to have audio, but not everybody can have it at the same time, and that's controlled by the moderator. So in a situation where you do not have audio privileges, you can signal to the moderator that you want them by raising your hand, and you'll see that the number 1 comes up. If a number of people want to have something to say or want to have their privileges turned back on, you'll see that as people raise their hands, numbers show up to show the sequence. So I was number 1, the moderator was number 2, and so on. And as the moderator chooses you, you can see that the numbers are changing and then going away. So there are 4 other emoticons that we need to talk about. There is the smiley face. That's pretty self-explanatory. If I'm happy about something, I can show my smiley face. If I'm enthusiastically in agreement with somebody, I can applaud. If I don't agree with somebody, I can give them a thumbs down, and if I am just confused about what's going on, I can show I can use the confused faced icon. This column over to the right of that has a green check and a red X. This is for polling. Illuminate gives us the ability to ask polling questions. So, who likes PBCL? Well, everybody's going to go ahead and signify a check mark to say that they are in agreement with this. They like this. They're in support of it. And I can take that check mark away and the other person voting. And if you disagree with something, if you want to vote in the negative, you can just vote no by indicating a red X. So that is the participants list. This is a quick view of, you can scan this when you get in to make sure that you have the privileges that you need. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about the chat room and the audio functions and the whiteboard. So I look forward to seeing you at the next session.